Hello students, in this video we will discuss about crop production and management. Dear students, you must have seen farmers working in paddy fields. They worked for all day long. Have you ever wondered that from where they get the energy to do their work with full enthusiasm? Actually, like us, they also get the energy from food that we eat. In other words, we can say that the food is the main source of energy to perform various life processes such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. So, in order to provide food to on a large scale, its regular production, proper management, and distribution is necessary. In this chapter, we shall discuss about crop production and the steps involved in it. Now, come to the agriculture practices. Before discussing about the agriculture practices, firstly, we should know the meaning of agriculture. The early man was a hunter gatherer. Hunter gatherer means he used to wander in small groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. He ate raw fruits and hunted animals to get his food. Gradually, he discovered fire and found that the roasted meat is tastier to eat. By chance, he also discovered that seeds can be sown to grow plants. This was the beginning of the agriculture. As the time passed, he settled himself along the river banks to grow crops. This was resulted into the development of communities. Farming communities. Thus was born agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin words agr means field and cultura means cultivation. Means agriculture means is field cultivation. Thus, growing plants for getting food and other useful products is called agriculture. Now, what is the meaning of crop? When the same type of plants are grown at a large scale, it is called crop. For example, crop of rice means all the plants grown in a field are of rice, and crop of wheat means all the plants grown in a field are of wheat. Now, come to there are some important crops grown in our country. These are food grains, commercial crops, plantation crops, horticulture. In food grains means crops that are used for human consumption. The examples are rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses, etc. And commercial crops, the crops which are grown for sale. Examples are cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, and oilseeds. Plantation crops, the crops which are grown on plantation covering large estates. For example, tea, coffee, coconut, and rubber. Horticulture, the sections of agriculture in which fruits and vegetables are grown. The examples are vegetables and fruits. The fruits. Crops can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. India is a vast country. The climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall vary from one region to another. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. So, on the basis of the seasons, the crops mainly are of two types: Kharif crops and the Rabi crops. Kharif crops, the crops which are sown in the rainy season, are called Kharif crops. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Examples for Kharif crops are paddy, maize, soyabean, groundnut, cotton, etc. Now to these are the Kharif crops: rice, millets, maize, and come the Rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter season are called Rabi crops. Their time period is generally from November to April. Examples are wheat, pea, gram, barley. These are the examples of Rabi crops. In addition to these two crops, jade crops. These are grown in some parts of the country during March to June. Or you can say that jade season is a short season between the Rabi and the Kharif season during the summer months. For Examples for the jade crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops. This is all about the agriculture and the types of the crops. In next lecture, we will discuss about the basic practices of crop production like preparation of soil, agriculture implements, etc. We will discuss in that uh, next lecture. So this is all about for today. Thank you, students.